What's up, guys? I got another video I was planning to do today. I think I'm gonna make my pretty much bike shop, but it's not gonna be really a shop. It's gonna be like my working space. So like right in my house. So as you can see, I'm down in my basement. There's my bike right there, and in front of me, I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm gonna be cleaning up, and I'm probably gonna do some like cheap hacks and stuff. Not hacks, but like things you can do to your own house that are super cheap for like a bike shop or something. Alright guys, so I cut these about 2 feet long. That's gonna be running the length of the tire. And now I'm gonna cut it probably a foot wide on each side, and it's gotta be 2 inches, so about like 2 inches, about like right there. That's about how wide my tire is for the GT Aggressor Pro. So let's cut this little chop saw again, and I'll meet you back when I drill these. Alright, talk later. Alright guys, as you can see, I finished my bike holder. I actually cut the ones that go to the width a little short, so I had to add extensions on. Bike is pretty straight right here. So, I'll be making future videos. Please like and subscribe. And I'm out.